Is there a way to help control the tick population by targeting invasive plants?
New at 6, a team of researchers at Vermont State University just received funding to help them find the answers. Our Lucy Kale shows us their work.
Searching through the woods for these little guys to bring back here to study.
So we are looking at the correlation between black-legged tick nymph density and invasive plant species.
Research which co-investigator Bill Landsman says will help broaden understanding of which plant species ticks prefer and which ones they avoid.
Ultimately, try a management approach to try to reduce the number of invasive plants and hopefully the number of ticks at the same time.
The work is part of a $1.8 million grant from the National Science Foundation awarded to the University of Maine and Vermont State University to conduct research on ticks and invasive plant species. Tick-borne diseases are a rising concern in Vermont, something underground researcher Samantha Bedore knows well, as her family has been impacted by Lyme disease.
It's been a great learning experience, learning a bunch of different techniques in the lab and just meaningful work.
Bedore works in the lab after the ticks are found, where she and other students wash them and then extract and amplify their DNA.
Using that amplified DNA, we'll test to see if the ticks are positive for Borrelia burgdorferi, which is a pathogen that causes Lyme disease.
Fern, height class 2.
But first, Luke Walters and other students comb through the woods next to the Johnson and Castleton campuses to find the bugs.
Where we're doing this thing called flagging, and we're also doing this long-term study of dragging 1 meter by 1 meter cloth on the ground. And we're just seeing how many ticks we can find in a 100-meter transect.
If the data proves a connection, land managers can then know which plants need to be destroyed, which in turn could reduce tick populations and help with forest and public health. Reporting in Johnson, Lucy Kale, Channel 3 News.